In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use autofill on Excel. So there are lots of autofills on Excel. So the first one, which is trying to prevent yourself from, repeating some sort of sequence, you get it, which is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's say you're trying to enter from 1 to 100, you can be entering from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 100. There's a sequence, inbuilt sequence that's going to help you do that. And the other ones too, let's say Keyboard Tech channel, which is very much longer. So I can give it a shorthand like KBT. I'm going to show you guys how to do that in a different video. I don't want to, give you guys a lot of information in a single video. So let's do the sequence one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get it. We are trying to enter from 1 to 50. Let's do a 50. So what we need to do is we just highlight here. So at the 5, we place our mouse here and we tap on it, something like that, and then now we try to drag it. You can see there is a dot at the 5 there. Good. So now I need to be dragging it up to 50. Good. This is 50. That's it. So when you highlight it from the 1 up to the 5, you need to click there for the dot to appear. That's the sequence is going to take note, and then you drag it. So if it's 1000, you drag it up to 1000. If it's 200, you drag it up to 200. So that's the first sequence. So I'm going to show you guys in a different video the second sequence I was talking about. So let's say I'm trying to enter something which is very much longer, like Keyboard Tech channel. You get it. It's very much longer, and let's say you'll be entering it on the sheet numerous times. You get it. You can give it a shorthand simple like KBT. So anytime you enter KBT on Excel, Keyboard Tech is going to appear. Simple and easy. I'm going to show you guys how to do that in another video. So that's it for this video. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use autofill on Excel. So there are